In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot QuickBooks Online errors. If QuickBooks Online is slow, won't load, or throws unexpected errors, the fix is often simpler than it looks. We'll work through a quick sequence that isolates the cause and gets you back on track. Start by trying QuickBooks Online in a private or incognito window. A private window runs without your saved cache and most add-ons, which helps you tell whether the problem comes from your browser environment. Open your browser's menu and choose the option labeled New Incognito Window or New Private Window. Then head to the usual QuickBooks Online sign-in page and try signing in. If everything behaves normally here, you've just confirmed the issue is likely tied to stored browsing data. Next, clear your cache from the regular browser window. Open your browser's history or settings, find the Clear Browsing Data section, and choose to remove cached images and files. You can also include cookies if you don't mind re-signing into websites afterward. Select a suitable time range. Clearing more data is more thorough. Then apply the change. Fully close the browser, reopen it, and try QuickBooks Online again. This refresh often resolves looping sign-ins, blank pages, and stubborn loading spinners caused by outdated files. Make sure your browser itself is up to date. Modern web apps like QuickBooks rely on the latest security patches and performance improvements. Open your browser's Help or About page. It will automatically check for updates and install them. After the update finishes, relaunch the browser. Running the current version reduces crashes, fixes rendering glitches, and improves overall stability. Finally, check your internet connection. QuickBooks Online needs a steady, secure connection to sync data. Confirm that other sites are loading quickly, and consider running a quick speed test to verify consistency. If you're on Wi-Fi, moving closer to the router or temporarily using a wired connection can eliminate drops. Pausing large downloads or streaming in the background can also free up bandwidth. Once the connection is stable, try signing in again and navigating a few pages to be sure everything's responsive. That's the full workflow. Test in a private window, clear your cache, update the browser, and verify the network. Follow these in order whenever errors pop up, and you'll resolve most QuickBooks Online issues in minutes without changing any account settings. If the problem returns, repeat the private window test to quickly pinpoint whether it's the browser or the connection, and proceed from there.